Yeah.
Okay.
Now? Finish this.
Well, when we finish this,
Unless you're not having fun, you can stop and just go to drone. You want to switch to drone?
yeah.
Okay, let's switch to drone. Everything was ready.
The remote.
I had it all. You want to talk?
Hi, it's Buzz. Let's hear hi go. I'm flying a drone.
Don't do tricks, you'll waste your battery, buddy. It's only 4 minutes. شو عملت؟ ليش كبست الأحمر؟
شكله خافوا على الشجرة غريب بيبصر ليش
كسرتها ليش هيك وقعتها من فوق؟
ما طلع فوق عالي كثير
Low.
Dad, it's really a leaf blower, right?
Yeah.
Look over here. Oh, look, the wind's gone. Ah! It's happening. It's probably like drone on a run. That not shouldn't happen.
خلص كده دخل وراء
Ah! It hit the side, YouTube. Should I get a YouTube video?
Yeah.
If you don't like it, then put it on. But bye, YouTube. I'll see you in the next video that I have to make. Happy.
Why'd you end the video?
It feels like it's been quite a long time.
Drone on the run.
اسمه شحنة هي ضل شحنة
Nice job bringing it back. Red. No, not red. Bring it back. Oh, God. Yes, bring it back.
I'm feeling it.
Good.
شوي
Yeah! That was amazing.
YouTube boss. We did it. We saved it. Did you see that?
So amazing.
Saved the drone.
It was on the run.
The drone still works. That was amazing end to a YouTube video.
It was an amazing ending.
And I brought it back, and this button
And it still
straightens
works.
And it was like bent, and this button straightens it out, and Yeah. Bye, YouTubers. See you in the next video that I have to make. Enemy Joe Part 8.
9.
Amazing ending. Wait for the end. Perfect name for the video. Bye, our YouTubers. See you in the next video.